except I bought a 14-inch actuator, so the stroke is 14 inches long, and it looks like I need something that's 9 inches, maybe 8 inches, 10 inches, not really sure. And that's where I have an issue, because I don't know how to make these calculations. I'm sure I could figure it out, but there you go. Now it should automatically stop when it reaches the end. And that's what I'm looking for when it stands up. So that's why I need a shorter actuator. I could actually just use these and just stand there, and when it gets to the top, just turn the switch off. But I don't want to do that, because I want it to just be turn the switch, goes to the end, and stops. So I'll turn these around. And as I do this, I'm actually going to hit the timer to see how long it takes. So this is only one actuator. I'm gonna have another one on that side to make sure this is even, but since there's no bed, no mattress, nothing like that on here, I figured one actuator would work perfectly. There you go. 30 seconds. Just over 30 seconds, about 32 seconds or 33 seconds to get that to stand up. And then there'd be another set of actuators which make the bed slide into the wall. The problem, of course, is that distance is 9 inches, and that's almost past vertical. So I think if I went with an 8-inch one, 8 inches is what I'm going to try. I'm going to have to go and exchange these ones. And now I'll show you what I've actually done. So don't mind the shaking and whatnot. I've got to bring the camera off the tripod. So here we go here. So I've just kind of mounted these things onto the bed frame itself. The bed platform, of course, will be on top here so that these won't even be noticed from underneath. And then on the folding section here, I've put a bar all the way down. Now, I could have done that here, I guess, or something like that. No, I would have had to have done it here and gone, but I could have gone all the way up. But I have a support that this drops down onto to make it nice and level. So I could have gone right here. I have a support that this drops onto over on the bed frame. So yeah, and I know this looks a little dirty, but you know, I don't want to use, I just use some carriage bolts to hold that together, because you know, this hardware is actually quite expensive, these little bits like this. So I think I'm happy. I need to adjust this. I'm going to cut another little block and put it right in here, and then, you know, put that on there. And you know, and so that way there, this is completely attached. Even though this looks, you know, good and solid, I just want to put another block on there, make it a little bit better. But yeah, works fabulous, and about the right amount of time. So you know, 30 seconds. Wow, it's working. Taking a little longer to get it all organized than I expected, but you know, hard work rewards. Roaming Small Patrick's, best of luck.